Hello guys, it's Chris from FFP and we're down at the film debut for Who. I'm here with Elodie. How are you feeling today?
I feel really good, yeah.
Okay. How did you find that film? Was it what you expected? Did it catch you off guard?
So I actually had zero expectations, and I just thought it was like insane, like really, really good. You ask yourself a lot of questions. You never know what to expect. With my friends, I came with two of my friends, and throughout the whole movie, I said, okay, who do you think it is? Like, every time we tried to predict something, we had to regroup and just regroup our thoughts. I even went on my IMDb app. I put a 10 out of 10 already. Yeah.
Okay. You see that, guys? You see that? That just shows how good it is.
It's the kind of movie you don't want it to end. Like, I wish it lasted 4 hours. I wish it was like a series even. I would recommend it to everyone.
There we go, guys. If you could describe this film then in 3 words, what words would you choose?
Mysterious.
That's a good one.
Very interesting, like really good storyline, and unpredictable.
That is an amazing choice of words.
Yeah.
You heard it, guys. Go and watch the film on Disney+. That was Elodie signing out. Okay.